Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a quick unboxing. I have a pot in here. This pot has been raining for a very long time now. I've been seeing it and I've been doing as if I did not see it because of the price. It's quite expensive. But today I decided to just go and buy it because of the previous experience I've had with pots. If you guys can remember, I did a review of this pot. I don't know how long now. Check the last time I posted this video. What year was it? So guys, this pot is some people asked me then how is it so far and everything, and I was like, when I got it, everything was going on fine. But guys, I noticed something. Each time I watch this, look at the inside. This pot is clearly washed, but each time we wash it and keep it, this is what we are seeing. This is how the inside is becoming. I don't think this is safe to use anymore. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think this is and why did it happen? We didn't use hard sponge on it or anything. Just normal sponge to wash. You don't need to, I don't know. Was this scratched? This is not even like a scratch or anything. And I feel all this black thing here that you can see here, this the way it is here. That's how all the inside is, but I think it's peeling now. So, and it's quite heavy. It has quality, but I don't know, maybe it has expired, or maybe this one is not for long usage. After using it for some time, you have to discard. Let me know if you have this pot. How is it for you? What's yours like? And I've seen people complain about this pot a lot. So if you want to see when I did it, if you want to see the pot, I did a review on the pot already when I bought it, so you can see the brand and how much I got it for. So let's just open this one and see what we have inside. So I ordered this one, then I ordered the kettle as well. But it's the pot I want to show you guys, not the kettle. Guys, let me just tear this up so the video won't be too long. So guys, this is the pot I'm talking about. This is the aluminium 6 pieces cooking pot. Before I made the decision to buy this pot, I was about to buy this pot when I noticed it has different types. But the seller made it known to me that it is just different. They are all the same thing, but different company. That means different companies are making it. But there's one that comes that has Tornado. I just believe Tornado is a brand name that has been out there for long. So guys, before I even conclude on this pot, let me open it up first. When I got this sketch, wow, it's really small. I thought it would be bigger than this. This sketch is really small. What? What? Is this how tiny this thing is? I will show you guys a clip, a picture of this thing. It's really tiny. Oh. Foldable funnel. Hope you guys can see that. This is a foldable funnel. And this is a sink basket. Guys, these things are so big in the picture. When you see the picture, they're really big, but when they deliver it, it's not be what I ordered versus what I got. So tiny. My mind was telling me not to order it. It's not expensive. This is 800. This is 400. And this is the kettle. So this is not why we are here. We are here for the pots. Let's just open up the pots. The kettle I got it for 10,500. So as I was saying, this pot has different brands or different companies. Let's say different company. They're all the same design but different companies. There is Tornado. This is Idema. There's another one I've seen. So I was like kind of confused which one is the original one in all these pots. But the seller made it known to me that they're all from different companies. Each company just branded their own the way they like. But that Tornado is more expensive than this one. I've seen people say that Tornado for about 120, 125. Then others selling this type are selling for 85, so 85, 88, 98. I got this for how much? I will tell you in a bit. Let's just see, because they say those people selling tornado, they said it's the best quality and it is the original quality. So I don't have tornado, I've not used it before. I don't know, I can't tell if it is different from this one. I actually bought this one because the price is right. That's why I went for this one. So let's just bring it out. 6 pieces. For those advertising tornado, they say it's heavy, but this is not really heavy. It's not bad, but it's not it's not bad though. These are the knobs. So what do you guys think? Do you think these ones are fake or what, or just different company? If you have this pot, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is 20 centimeter. I think the one of tornado come is 24. I'll be 26. But this one is 20 centimeter. It's not. It's just okay. Normal stainless. Not like, maybe when I have money, I'll buy tornado and see if there's any difference actually. But it is not really heavy. As people that are advertising tornado, the way they are carrying it as if it's so heavy. If you have tornado, let me know what's the difference. What is the difference? They're really different. Are they the same thing? So guys, I think that will be all. This is 24 centimeter, 26 centimeter. There is this is 30 centimeter, 6.5 liter. When this thing is so tight, I'm trying to draw it out. Oh. Then this is 34. Why this is 36? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 36 centimeter. So that will be all, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you have the spots, do you think they are all different different quality, or is just from different brands? It's really lightweight, very light. It's light. I believe those people advertising tornado, so that one is stronger. But okay, I got this for 75,000 naira. 75,000, and people that are advertising tornado are selling for 125. So the difference is really clear. So even when I have money, I'll still get that tornado and compare. Then so let me know in the comment section if you have the spots. Is this the original one? Is this the fake? Or is it just from different companies? So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in my next video. So the kettle, I don't know if this is a whistle kettle. We're going to try test it and see. Kettle is 10,500. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The other one that is the what they call that pot, is it non-stick pot? It's really not non-stick. When I bought it the first 3 months, it was fine, everything, but after some time it started peeling. As you can see from the beginning of the video, it started peeling. Even the small one has peeled. Everything inside has peeled for that spot. The only one that has not peeled is the shallow pot. So I don't know. I think I'm going to discard it because I don't think that's healthy. With the way it's peeling, it's no longer healthy. I saw a post today on Instagram when somebody mentioned how she fell sick because of that kind of pot. The pot was peeling. So I don't want it to get to that stage for us. So as from now, I'm going stainless. Or maybe when I have money, I'll try the iron casts or something. I don't know what they call it. Is it iron casts? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Bye, guys. So guys, I finished setting up the pots, and this is what it looks like. I fixed the top handle. So I noticed that you can see that this one just put it covers easily. It covers easily all around. And I'm like, why is it that when you buy pots, you must see that one? Look at this one, covered very well. You must see that one that will not cover well. And it's even annoying because it's the biggest one. See, it's not covering. Ah, God, it's not covering well. Does it mean the cover is too big for it, or the pot is too wide for the cover? It's not covering. This one is not covering well. This is covering well. I have 3 out of 6 pots. It's not covering very well. Look at this one. Not covering very well. So, and also this one. I don't like this when I buy pot and it's not covering very well. I really don't like it. So this one just covered. What? Oh my god! This one just covered. But it's still opening a little bit. I hope this other one still can cover, even if it's like that. This will not work. Okay, just have to stretch it out a bit and force it in. Oh, but it still has opening. Still has opening, but it's better than the way it was before. Let's try the big one. This big, I don't think it's going to work because the pot is even bent here. She's not covered. I give up on this big one. Thank you guys.